Welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about 3 mistakes that you're probably making in your business that is costing you customers online. Now, without any further ado, let us get into it. Now, a lot of people go through social media struggling unnecessarily because of ignorance. You're watching this video probably because you're just starting and you want to make money for your business online, or you already have a business online and you're finding it hard to position your business. Now, here are 3 mistakes to avoid when starting your business. This is straight to the point, no fluff. So get your pen and paper and make sure you take notes. Okay, so the very first mistake is neglecting market research. Now, what is this mistake? This is launching your business without understanding your target audience, your competition, or the demand for your product or service. Now, what's the impact of this mistake? You risk building something that nobody wants, or even if they want it, without doing the proper research, you wouldn't know how to market effectively. So what is the solution? Validate your ideas with surveys, carry out very, very good competitor analysis, and also test your business or your product with a very small audience and see how they respond. If you do not research your target audience, you wouldn't know the right message to tell them. If you do not research your competition, you wouldn't know what they are getting right and what they are getting wrong and how to avoid what they are getting wrong. So let us head on to the second mistake, which is ignoring branding and online presence. You need professional branding and proper design across all your social media in order to look professional or to give a sense of you know what you're doing. Now, what's the impact? If you do not do this, that is, do proper branding, proper design, look professional, the impact is low trust and credibility, right? And you're making it harder to attract and retain customers, right? What's the solution? Invest in professional logos, clear messaging, which is tied to your brand, and then user-friendly websites and a cohesive online presence. Where a online presence where they know it's you every time you come out with something to say. The third mistake is failing to build a sales funnel. This is a mistake of focusing only on driving traffic without a strategy to convert visitors into paying customers. Now, what does this look like? What is the impact? Let's say you're putting out content or you're trying to advertise your product and service, right? But you do not have a tailored strategy or a journey that your customer passes through that takes them through the awareness phase, the interest phase, before the conversion phase, and then the advocacy phase, right? Most people just go out there and just want to start looking for customers without thinking of crafting a proper journey for them. Now, what's the impact of this? High bounce rates and missed revenue opportunities. So people could see your business and bounce off because you're probably not giving them the right messaging for each stage of the funnel that they are in. What is the solution? Create a clear funnel from your lead magnets to your email nurturing sequence to guiding potential customers to make the purchase. So, sales funnels can be very tricky if you do not know the ins and outs of how they work or the psychology behind them. I have a free manual. If you check my bio, you would see it. It exposes you to the idea of a sales funnel. If you have not thought about this or you've not been exposed to the concept of a sales funnel, well, you can begin to educate yourself there. Okay, so these are the 3 things. I hope you got them. Now, just to go over everything again, these are the mistakes to avoid. 1, neglecting market research. What does market research include? It includes your target audience, includes your competitors, and then it includes looking for the demand of your product or service. The second mistake is ignoring branding and your online presence. And the third mistake is failing to build a sales funnel. Thank you for your time. I hope this blessed you. If you want to join the Growth Academy community where we have loads and loads of information for young entrepreneurs, please do so. Links also in the bio. Talk to you in the next video. Till next time, stay awesome.